Does the current potential food shortages worry you? And are you desiring to grow your own food as a security for your family? Well, in today's video, I am going to share with you how you can grow tons of food in containers no matter where you are. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hey, welcome to City Homestead Living, where bringing a piece of country to your backyard is more than a motto, it is a way of life. In today's video, we are going to tackle the question, can I grow food for my family in containers? I don't have a lot of space, or I live in an apartment with just a balcony. And the answer is yes, you can grow food anywhere you are. I've known people that grew them on their front stoop of their apartment. They've grown them in their kitchen window. But if you have a little bit of room, like a patio that gets great sun, or a small yard, but you don't want to dig in the dirt, say you rent and your landlord doesn't allow you to put in an in-ground garden, then this is the video for you. We live on a quarter-acre farm. We do have some in-ground spaces that we grow, but I do a lot of my growing in these containers because I have MS. I prefer to sit in a folding chair while I garden, and this makes it super easy for me. Some of the garden prep got away from us this year for our summer garden, where we normally do a lot of container gardening. We went and visited our son in Idaho and his family and got to play with our little grandson, and it was so wonderful. We also got to meet up with Brother Joe and his family for dinner one night, and it was just a spectacular time for us. So relaxing after the year we've had here for our family. So in saying that, some of the containers are really full of weeds. I've been working on some of them. This one I have gotten completely cleared out. So looking so good. I'm gonna have to top dress it with some compost and some rabbit manure so that it will continue to do well for all of our growing needs. But these here have weeds that have even gone to seed, and I have a lot of work ahead of me to get all of these cleared out. The weeds come up easy. The soil is nice and fluffy. It's got a lot of organic matter in it, and I continue to add organic matter every season. We've had these bins for like 4 years at least, and they produce so well for us. We do things like lettuces and cabbage. We do kale and spinach, but also I do all my peppers, and we do green beans, and this year I'm going to try cucamelons. So join me for that experience. So anyway, I will show you clearing out some of these bins. Even if your conditions aren't perfect, just plant something and enjoy the beauty of God's creation. You'll be so happy that you did. Remember to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share our videos on your social media. Sharing our videos is the fastest way to help this channel grow. And as part of this community, you are advancing the mission to help hundreds of thousands of individuals and families live a more sustainable way of life right where they are. here we have a completely weed-free bed, all ready for top dressing. Okay, so I finally got all of them cleared out and ready for planting. Thank you so much for joining me today on our container gardening journey. And as always, happy homesteading adventures.